Hello guys, my name is Aditya and I did my bachelor's in economics honors from Scottish Church College, which is under the University of Calcutta. I secured a rank of 23 in ISI's MSQE entrance examination, and I got myself enrolled into the Eco Topper program of EduSure when I was in my final year. In my competitive preparation journey, EduSure played a very important role, and firstly I would like to express my gratitude to both sir as well as ma'am for helping me in this journey of mine. And as far as any competitive preparation is concerned, there are few things which each and every aspirant needs to be very clear about. The first and the most crucial point being that of dedication. You need to be dedicated to yourself. You need to be thorough as far as your basics or your foundations are concerned. If you're thorough and you're confident about your basics, then any competitive examination won't be very difficult for you. Because examinations like ISI or DSA will always focus more on your basics. Yeah, of course, they will ask you difficult questions, but those questions will be based on the foundations of yours. So in developing these foundations and clearing my basic concepts, sir and ma'am helped a lot. The notes that they provided, they were very precise and to the point, and they acted like a go-to resource for me which I could refer to at any point of time whenever I had any doubt. Moreover, the portal that we were given access to had videos of about almost all the ISI and DSE questions. So there were around 3000 plus videos in the portal, and from this only you can get an idea how informative that portal was. And apart from that, every week we used to have 2 theory classes which were scheduled specifically for theory discussions, and apart from that we also had one class which was kept specifically for doubt discussions and also for the discussions of the mock test questions. The mock tests that there were there in the portal, they also helped us a lot because specifically for me, the mock tests acted like an indicator. They basically showed the areas where I need to work. They showed me the areas which were my weak points, and these mock tests kind of helped me to work on those weak points. So the mock tests also played a very crucial role as far as my competitive preparation was concerned. Lastly, I would like to say one thing, that is, no matter which examination you are preparing for, always try to cover the past papers at least 2 or 3 times. The past papers should be like your holy book for any competitive preparation. And that's all. All the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.